Beneath the foundations of every modern city, behind every towering skyscraper, massive bridge, highway, and dam, lies one essential material that shapes the world around us. Cement. Every day, millions of tons of cement are produced across the planet, powering the growth of civilization itself. But few people have ever witnessed the incredible industrial process hidden behind its creation. Our journey begins in enormous limestone quarries, where giant excavators tear through layers of ancient rock formed millions of years ago. Massive dump trucks transport thousands of tons of raw material across dusty industrial landscapes under the blazing sun. The extracted limestone is then transported to powerful crushing stations, where gigantic industrial machines reduce massive rocks into smaller fragments. Conveyor belts carry the material through a complex network of steel structures, moving continuously like the arteries of a living mechanical giant. Next comes the grinding and blending process. Inside enormous rotating mills, raw materials are transformed into an ultrafine powder. Advanced computerized systems carefully control the chemical composition with incredible precision, ensuring the perfect balance required for high-quality cement production. But the most spectacular stage is still ahead. Towering above the factory stands the massive preheater system, a maze of cyclones, pipes, and steel platforms where intense heat begins to prepare the material for its final transformation. Then, the heart of the cement plant, the rotary kiln, a gigantic rotating furnace stretching hundreds of feet long, operating at temperatures exceeding 1400 degrees Celsius. Inside this inferno, flames roar with unstoppable power as the raw mixture slowly transforms into glowing red-hot clinker. Sparks explode through the darkness. Molten heat radiates from the rotating steel shell. The entire structure trembles under the force of one of the most extreme industrial processes on Earth. As the burning clinker exits the kiln, it enters a powerful cooling system where massive streams of air rapidly reduce its temperature. Clouds of steam rise into the atmosphere while glowing fragments move across heavy industrial grates like volcanic stone fresh from the Earth's core. The cooled clinker is then transported to the final grinding stage. Giant mills crush the hardened material into the fine gray powder recognized worldwide as cement. In highly advanced laboratories, technicians and automated systems constantly analyze samples to guarantee strength, durability, and quality. Every detail is monitored with scientific precision. Finally, the finished cement is packaged through fully automated production lines. Robotic systems fill thousands of bags every hour while tanker trucks prepare to transport the material to construction sites across entire nations. But modern cement factories are no longer focused only on production. Today, engineers are developing cleaner technologies, reducing emissions, improving energy efficiency, and integrating sustainable innovations designed to protect the future of our planet. Behind the dust, fire, steel, and machinery, modern cement production represents one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements, a fusion of raw natural power and advanced industrial technology. And as cities continue to rise higher into the sky, cement remains at the very foundation of modern civilization itself.